So guys, welcome to another video of Tech React. Today we are building a PC under 15,000 rupees for office work and browsing, and you can play a games at 60 fps. I'm telling you before only, if you have a budget of 25,000, don't go with this. This video is only for those at ultra limited budget and need a PC immediately. And all the parts I have given are new parts and are available at the Amazon. I will give you the links in the description. If you wanna buy, go and check out the links. Now, without any delay, let's start the video. First, processor. We are taking an APU in this build so that you don't need to spend money on graphic card. We are taking AMD A6 7480 dual core 2-thread FM2 plus socket desktop motherboard. It comes with an Radeon R5 graphics. Its max boost up to 3.8 GHz. It's an old processor, but why I haven't chosen this means it is an best processor at the price range of 2,699. Before it was 4,500 rupees, but now it is available at the price range of 2,699 rupees. Nearly you can save 1,800, which is a huge amount in this range of build. Next, motherboard. We will choose the motherboard from Gigabyte, which is a best and trusted brand. So we have taken the Gigabyte F2A68HMS1 at price range of 4,549 rupees, which support FM2 Plus and FM2 socket processors, which comes with a dedicated audio hardware zone with USB 3.0, and it comes with 3 SATA ports, which are useful to add an extra hard disk or SSD in future if you want. And it comes with 2 RAM slots and 1 graphic card slot. Next, RAM. For RAM we will take Hynix 4GB RAM, which is 1315, which is 1600 MHz RAM. DDR3 RAM. Yes, DDR3 is an old RAM, but at this price range it's DDR3 only. The RAM we are taken is 4GB RAM with 2 strips, so total it is an 8GB RAM. Next, for storage we will choose hard disk because SSD increases the price. So we are taking the 1TB hard disk of consistent brand. Price is 3,175 rupees. At the end, power supply that is Smps. We have taken 450 watts that Smps from the Gibronics, which is 649 price rupees. Cabinet. I couldn't find a cabinet under 1000 in Amazon, so have taken from another website. I will give the link in the description only. The cabinet is from Tech Cabinate, which is 900 rupees. If we add the prices of all the components, it's totally 14,602 rupees, which is under 15,000. This PC is mainly for office work and browsing, and you can also play games like GTA 5 at the 60 fps at medium settings. So guys, that's all for today. Meet you in another video. Jai Hind.